Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to connect Ford Taurus Bluetooth. Turn on your phone Bluetooth and set the car to pairing mode using the sync menu. Stay in park, then select Add Device on the car display and search from your phone. If prompted, compare the PIN numbers and accept on both devices. I'll walk through troubleshooting tips like restarting devices and clearing previous pairings to keep things simple and fast. Start by opening Bluetooth on your phone and triggering Add Device on the Taurus Sync menu. Choose the Ford Sync name that appears on your phone and watch for the matching code on both screens. Tap Pair or Accept on each device, and then allow contact and message access if you want hands-free features. If pairing fails, retry after clearing old devices or rebooting your phone to refresh connections and permissions. If pairing struggles, first restart your phone and cycle the car's infotainment power to clear temporary issues. Remove outdated pairings on both devices and try the Add Device flow again, watching for any prompts you might miss. Also check for phone or sync updates, since software fixes often resolve connection bugs. For persistent problems, consult the owner manual or a dealership for deeper diagnostics and potential firmware updates to the system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.